Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and today we have a little bit of a red day, as you can see over here. Boomers, consolidated basically. Dollar, looking kind of weak over here. This should have been support right there, and the Nasdaq is at all-time highs. Also the S&P 500 is at all-time highs, and the Dixie, just like this. Some support for Dixie over here, I would say. Bitcoin, on the hourly, we are right over here on an important spot. This level right here, the top right there, 48k. Taking a better look at it over here on lower time frame, we can see this level right here on the 5-minute is extremely important. This is basically make or break, otherwise we're going to 47k. You can see clearly, all these lows over here, right at it right now. A little bit of a gap in the volume. Let's zoom out a little bit. Basically, probably should have started with zooming out, but I just had that one. There. So what is it gonna be? In 2013, we basically had 2 bull markets, I would say, 2 run-ups to the highs. And right now, it is the question. Since on a lower time frame or like medium time frame, we're at big resistance, basically 50k. Are we in a bear market or are we in a bull market? That is basically the question. Is this a lower high? Are we gonna build some sort of pennant over here? Or are we gonna build something over here? For me, that is the question, which I do not know the answer to yet. Just wanted to let you guys know. Also, this is a trend line we're looking at right now on the daily. And yeah, for me, the current daily is not looking too good, but zooming more in, we can do that right now. We can see, some big support is right over here. Lower time frame, is this one over here. A little bit of a volume gap over here as well. So yeah, it is kind of critical over here. Something like this. You could also take this one and this one, but you shouldn't be too strict with it. You can make them really strict. If you like that, just you can do it, but it's not my cup of tea. It always changes, with the wicks a little bit and stuff on certain exchanges. So there's no point in being too precise with it. One exchange will hunt the stops, other exchange won't. Spot usually holds. So that is a little bit the case right there. And for me, it's all about 47, 48k. This area right here. Is where it's all about. If you do not hold it, then it's very clear support is at 44k, these lows over here, and after that, it's basically 42k. The tops, we saw some positive fundings again, a little bit above 0.01, and right now today we're already back in discounts. So fundings are, however, still flat. And yeah, this is what I was seeing already. Bybit apes are longing pretty hard, turning into quite some premiums over here. And that is not what we want to see. We do not want to see derivatives buying. We want to see spot buying. So that is a little bit, scary, I would say. Open interest wise, volume wise, Bybit does a lot. So they can account for quite some shakeouts, and this is what we want to see. We want to see Coinbase buying. That's the best spot. That's basically new money coming into crypto. And yeah, that is it for me. There's a lot of support right here on a lower time frame. You could also call this a head and shoulders kind of thing. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this being an important level right here. So we're right on it. You can take a scalp long over here. However, I do not like the looks of it, but you can. Invalidation is pretty clear. Invalidation is basically 48k. If you do want to take the trade over there, make sure to put your stop on the index price, because otherwise you will get hunted. And if you want to do it as well, make sure to use my sign up link. So that is what I'm seeing. I'm not feeling too bullish. And if I'm not feeling too bullish, on Bitcoin, things can change quick, guys. I'm also not feeling too bullish on other altcoins, basically. So this is what we're seeing on a lower time frame for Ethereum, breaking that one right now. Still looking okay-ish over here. We can draw some supports right here, very easy ones. This one, a lot of stops will be below it. This one and this one as well, a lot of stops will be below it. Yeah, for me, it's basically no trade now. I sold everything, or not everything, my trading account is flat, so Ethereum, BTC, same story basically, this is support. If that one breaks, you get out. Simple as that. And maybe, in the daily, if you break today's high, I would get in again. That is basically it for me. For now, on a lower time frame, everything changes again. For now, it looks good to me. This is an important level right here from this low. This area as well a little bit. Could be a long scalp worthy. Stop below this one. A little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Inverse head and shoulders are my favorite patterns, guys. And after that, you of course want them to make a higher high over here. Simple as that. Solana has big support, but has quite some support over here at the previous all-time high. Taking a look at a lower time frame. Let's take a look. Looking scary right here. You can see it on the volume profile as well. And basically this level, very important for Solana. And after that, you can simply put these lows. And look at these lows, guys, as where all the stops will be. Every rational trader would put his stop over here or over here. Coin, however, is up a little bit today. Coinbase stock. So that is interesting. BNB had a very good day yesterday. Some news related events, and BNB, has some. BNB is looking pretty good still, I think. Support on lower time frame at 460. But of course, make sure to keep an eye on Bitcoin, because it's all about Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Everything, if Bitcoin goes down, Dogecoin, all important level for Dogecoin. Today's daily close, we would have liked to see it close above 30 cents, important level. If not, I would say, let's remove everything. I would hope close above this one, 27.7. There's no time to panic really, but the price is still very high and I do not really like the looks of it right now. I could be very wrong. I did smell a lot of fear on Twitter. Usually those are good buying moments, but I don't know. I do not like the looks of it right now. Yeah, so that is about that. Fundings, are for me on the high side, especially Bybit. The apes are buying it, or somebody is buying it. I'm not sure who it is. And let's take a look, because I think they're longing more. Yeah, you can easily see them long more over here. And slowly, the last few days, open interest has climbed quite a lot on Bybit. Look at it over here, since we started rising again, open interest has been climbing, and right now we're at 1.5, and over here we were at 1 billion, below 1 billion for a lot of time. So that is about that for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and like I said yesterday, good interviews are coming again. You can find them over here under the playlist, Chat with the Boys. Make sure to watch, and right now price is dumping, and remember guys, 48k is the all important level. You can watch for closes as well at the 48k level. 4-hour close, daily close, and that is about that. Happy trading guys, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.